Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Med Seekers. How are you all? I hope everybody are doing good and staying safe. What can you expect from this video? See, in this video I am going to talk about JIPMER Pondicherry Masters in Public Health program. Answer to many of your comments. Like many students are having doubts regarding JIPMER Masters in Public Health program. I have picked up all your comments and I am trying to answer in this video. Watch this video till the end. Definitely all your doubts will be cleared. What is the eligibility criteria, fee structure, placement, stipend, entrance exam tips, and some important points you should remember while filling the application form, and what is the seat distribution of Masters in Public Health. All this I am going to discuss in this video. If you are a student who is interested in Masters in Public Health program at JIPMER, watch this video till the end, it will help you out. So coming to JIPMER Pondicherry, it's an institute of national importance under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and it's a tertiary care hospital. See, this is crucial part of the video. Kindly listen to this very carefully. What is the eligibility criteria for Masters in Public Health program? Who can apply, who cannot apply? All this I am going to clear in this video. Kindly listen to this. Any applicant with qualification of MBBS or Dental Sciences or BE or BTech, any branch, it might be engineering, any branch, or BSc Nursing or Veterinary Sciences or Ayush or Allied Health Sciences or Social Sciences of any recognized university in first attempt with at least 50% marks in aggregate are eligible. See, here they are telling you should clear within the first attempt. Suppose if you are a BDS student, or if you are an MBBS student, or if you are a BSc Nursing student, you have cleared your degree within 3 or 4 attempts, you are not eligible to apply. You should have cleared your degree within the first attempt with at least 50% of marks. And all the medical, dental, veterinary and nursing Ayush graduates should have registered with their respective state registration council. Hope I am clear with this. Only the degrees what I have mentioned here are eligible, that is MBBS, Dental Sciences, BE, BTech, it might be any branch, BSc Nursing, Veterinary Sciences, Ayush, Allied Health Sciences. So what is Allied Health Sciences? Like BSc Cardiac Care Technology, BSc Perfusion Technology, all the Allied Health Sciences, paramedic students are also eligible, or Social Sciences. But only one mandatory point to remember is you should have cleared your degree within the first attempt at least with 50% marks. You should not have any backlogs in your degree. Is experience mandatory? No, it's not mandatory. Even though you don't have any experience, you can apply to JIPMER. Just only one point you have to remember. You should have cleared your degree within the first attempt. You should have minimum 50% of marks. So let's take an example. If a MBBS student or dental or any nursing student or any student, he or she have passed out in 2019 or 2020, he will not have any experience, right? Even though you can apply, you are eligible to apply, and definitely you can get seat also. Experience doesn't play a role. They have just mentioned it's desirable, it's not mandatory. Please remember this point, students. Experience is not mandatory. Don't worry if you don't have experience also. Definitely you can apply to JIPMER. So coming to fee, it's around 11,310 rupees. It's very nominal. I think in India, apart from AIIMS Raipur, only JIPMER has this low fee structure for Masters in Public Health. It's really a bonus point. JIPMER MPH fee is this much, 11,310 rupees. Coming to seat distribution for Masters in Public Health program. See, listen to this very carefully. Overall, there are 34 seats. Okay, in that you have to eliminate 15 seats. 15 seats belongs to sponsored category. One very important point I would like to tell is, see, last year in sponsored category there were almost only 2 or 3 seats filled. So there are 12 seats remaining. They didn't fill those 12 seats, okay, they have left it remaining. Here also they have mentioned, see, these sponsored seats will not be pooled in the general seats or any other category seats also. So remember this point. So generally how many seats each category will have? Unreserved will have 8 seats, OBC category will have 5 seats, SC category will have 3 seats, ST category will have 1 seat, EWS category will have 2 seats, sponsored 15 seats. Overall it's 34. Hope I am clear with this. See, listen to this point very carefully. It's very important. If you do mistake in this step, your application will be rejected. Your passport size photo should be a recent one. You should be holding a placard which indicates your name and date which your photograph has been taken. Last year many students have been rejected due to this simple minor mistake. So please, I don't want any one of you to repeat this minor mistake. See, your passport size photo should be a recent one. You should be holding placard, and kindly don't use your creative skills and try to edit the photo. Okay, it should be clearly here they have mentioned. You can see if the name and date are edited on the photograph after taking it, the application will be rejected. The name and date on the photograph should be legible. So kindly don't edit your photograph. It should be a real one. You should be holding a placard which indicates your name and date. Coming to entrance exam preparation strategy and tips, already there are 3 videos in my channel MedSeekers which completely focuses on JIPMER Masters in Public Health entrance exam only. I'll drop the link in description below. You can check out that. There is one video of JIPMER 2020 Masters in Public Health paper analysis, one video which particularly tells about entrance exam syllabus, and in all my revision series also I have picked up MCQs from last year, so that it will help you out when you are solving. So kindly watch that videos before you starting your preparation. So 40 days left for your exam. Start your preparation now. If you haven't started till now, till you have a chance, 40 days left for your exam. Utilize the time properly. First, develop a positive attitude. Definitely you are going to crack the exam. Don't think about future results or anything right now, because you are at the step 1. You are at the preparation stage, right? Step 2 is giving your exam. You should give your exam with 100% effort. So all the best for upcoming exams. Coming to stipend, coming to placements and stipend, JIPMER doesn't offer any stipend. I told you their fee is very nominal. It's around 11,800 like that, and they don't offer any placements. But many students from JIPMER often get placed in a very good institutes because they'll have many research projects coming on and professors will guide them in placements. So this is all about JIPMER Masters in Public Health. If this video is helpful for you, can you take a second of time for me and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to MedSeekers. Take care, stay safe, stay home. See, one more thing, this is my Insta ID. I'll be posting all the public health updates and preventive and social medicine notes and all the latest updates of public health. If you are interested of public health updates and latest medical updates, you can follow me on Instagram. This is my ID. Take care. Thank you.